Hi students. Okay, today learning the topic is fixed point iteration method or method of successive approximation. So this is a method 4 to finding the root of the given algebraic equation or transcendental equation. In the previous lecture we completed three methods: bisection method, Newton-Raphson method, past position method. Okay, now this is the fourth method, fixed point iteration method. See that in this method how to finding the root. So that is equal to, consider equation f of x is equal to 0. So same, first finding the interval a comma b such that f of a and f of b have opposite signs. By using the intermediate value theorem, the root is lies between a and b. This is every method is the same. Okay, so next one, now rewrite the given equation of f of x is equal to 0 is x is equal to phi of x, and f of x is equal to any term, any degree, any term equation kada. But here only we write x is equal to remaining total function right outside, x power 1 is equal to, that is any degree function phi of x, we rewrite. Okay, now next, choose initial approximation x naught such that mod of phi dash of x naught is less than 0, and we have to choosing x naught. If given, no problem. If not given, we have to finding x naught such that, so here after rewrite the function phi of x, the differentiation phi dash of x. Okay, now next we choosing the value x naught. X naught is must be the given interval a comma b, and x naught is equal to a, or x naught is equal to b, or x naught is between a and b. Any value we have to choosing, but the condition is satisfied. Which condition? The x naught value substituting in the derivative of phi is must be less than 1 ayi undali. So that is the x naught is the initial value. Okay, na? If given, no problem. Not given, we have to finding choosing this condition. Okay, na? So next approximations values is, the next approximation or to the root or x1 is equal to phi x naught, and in this one x naught find out చేస్తాం కదా. నెక్స్ట్ x1 ఏమవుతుంది, దిస్ ఇస్ x1 సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ హియర్ x naught. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ x ప్లేస్ లో x1, phi of x ప్లేస్ లో x naught. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ అప్రాక్సిమేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ సెకండ్ అప్రాక్సిమేషన్, యూజింగ్ x1 we have to finding x2, అంటే x2 x ప్లేస్ లో x2, x ప్లేస్ లో x1, దట్ ఈస్ second approximation. Okay, now similarly we have to finding third approximation up to so on fourth. x2 is equal to here phi of x1 up to so on xn is equal to pi of xn minus 1. Okay, n is equal to any positive integer, and n is equal to 1 substituting phi of x naught, x2 phi of x1, x3 phi of x2 up to so on. So any two consecutive values are nearly same, the same procedure. Any two consecutive, and x1 x2, x2 x3, x3 x4 up to so on, any two consecutive values are nearly same, that is a required root. So this is a fixed point iteration. Okay, na? So this is fixed point iteration method. See the example problems. Okay, find the root of the equation x cube plus x square minus 1 is equal to 0 with the initial approximation 0.5 by iterative method. Already given here initial value only, that is x naught value. Okay, na? So let f of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So let the given initial condition x naught is equal to 0.8. So now rewrite the given equation f of x is equal to 0 as x is equal to phi of x such that this condition is must be satisfied. Mod of phi dash of x naught is less than 1, x naught is equal to 0.8. So we can write any types, and x is equal to not only so single form, we write many forms are right, x is equal to right outside remaining. Okay, na? But the form is must be satisfy the condition. Okay, So that is equal, we write x cube plus x square minus 1 is equal 0. So here x square common, x square into x plus 1 minus 1 is equal 0. Right outside x square is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Therefore x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus x. So this is, we wrote this form. X is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x. This is the function phi of x. So not only single equation we can ఇష్టమెలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, but when choosing that function must to be satisfy that condition. That is important. Okay na? So this is x is equal to, this function is phi of x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus x. Okay, next to finding the approximations. Okay na, using the formula xn is equal to phi of xn minus 1. Phi of x అంటే ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి మనం all values. Okay, so that is equal to here y choosing here, y of x is y choosing here, the condition is satisfied. చూడండి, phi dash of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x ను డెరివేట్ చేయండి. ఏమొస్తుంది, మైనస్ 1 by 2 ఇంటూ 1 plus x పవర్ మైనస్ 3 by 2. దట్ ఇంప్లైస్ x ప్లేస్లో 0.8 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. 0.2 ఈజ్ లెస్ దెన్ 1 కదా, అంటే ఈ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేసింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ phi of x. ఓకేనా? సో see that here. So by iteration formula xn is equal to phi xn minus 1, n belongs to n. Phi of x is the find out 1 by root of 1 plus x. Okay na? Since x is equal, this is the phi of x. First approximation, x1 is equal formula x1 plus low n plus low 1. x1 is equal phi of x naught. Phi of x naught is equal to phi of 0.8. So phi of x అంటే 1 by root of 1 plus x కదా, x ప్లేస్ లో 0. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి 0.8. సో అప్పుడు సింప్లిఫికేషన్ 0.7454. ఓకే, x2 is equal to phi of x1, that is x1 is equal to substituting here 0.7454. So that is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus 0.7454. After simplification we getting 0.7569. So similarly x3 is equal to phi of x2 is equal substituting here. So 1 by root of 1 plus 0.7569 is equal to simplification 0.7544. Next x4 is equal to phi of x3 is equal to substituting here. So in the phi of x substituting after simplification 0.7550. So fifth approximation, phi of x4, that is phi of x4 is equal to 0.755, that is equal to 0.7549. So sixth approximation, phi of x5 is equal to 0.7549. Substituting here 1 by square root of 1 plus 0.7549, that is equal to simplification 0.7549 up to so on. Getting, but here nearly same children, 4 decimal places. So x5 x is a nearly same both, that is the two consecutive values. So therefore hence the required root is 0.7549. This is the approximation root. Okay, this is a iteration method. See the next example one. Okay, find the root of equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 by iterative method. So there is no given interval only. Okay, now first finding the interval, that is interval f of a and f of b have opposite signs. F of 0 is equal to here 0 cube minus 2 into 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5 negative. F of 1 is equal to also minus 6 negative. F of 2 is equal to minus 1 is also negative. F of 3 is equal to 16 positive చూడండి. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, the root is lies between 2 and 3, and f of 2 is negative, f of 3 positive కదా, the root is lies between 2 and 3. Okay na? So that is equal to the given equation rewrite x is equal to phi of x. Okay na, such that satisfy this condition. So how to write here, the given equation is x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. X cube is equal to right outside 2x plus 5. X is equal to 2x plus 5 whole power 1 by 3. This is the phi of x. Is correct or not? Verification. Phi dash of x is equal to differentiation 1 by 3 cut 2x plus 5 ki derivative 2x kada, ante 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 2x plus 5 power minus 2 by 3. So now choosing any value between 2 and 3. we can choose any value. Now choosing initial value 2.5, there is only where our choice and not it's a fixed 2.5. And which value satisfied this equation is less than 1. ఈ కండిషన్ కోసం మనం వాల్యూ చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇయర్ mod of y dash of 2.5 is equal to substituting here 2.5, we getting the 0.1436 children less than 1. Okay, this is the correct, we choosing the correct. Okay na, initial value and is not fixed only, between 2 and 3 we can choose any value but satisfy that condition. Okay na, next finding the approximation values. So using the iteration formula, xn is equal to phi of xn minus 1, x is equal to already choosing phi of x is equal to x plus 5 power 1 by 3, x1 phi of x naught, first approximation substituting here 2 into 2.5 plus 5 whole power 1 by 3, after simplification we getting 2.1544, the first approximation. Second approximation phi of x1, in this one substituting x1 is equal to 2.1544, after simplification 2.1036. Third approximation phi of x2, phi of x plus low x2 plus low 2.1036, substituting after simplification 2.0959. Okay, fourth approximation phi of x3, substituting here after simplification 2 into 2.0959 plus 5 whole power 1 by 3, 2.09475. Fifth approximation phi of x4, phi of 2.09475, up to 7 simplification 2.09458. Children, up to 3 decimal places are equal, x4 x5 nearly same 3 decimal places, so that is the assumption, the required root. Hence the required root is x is equal to 0.09458, that is the approximation. Okay, this is fixed point iteration method. Understood? Yeah, thank you. For more videos please do subscribe my channel and like and share it. Thank you.